Don't stab him. Don't stab him. Don't stab him. No, B, don't. Ooh, careful.
Hey y'all, it's Southern Snackers.
I'm Bucky.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Brandon. And today we have a massive Chinese mukbang for you guys. So we just ordered from our favorite Chinese restaurant in the city and we are so excited. We just got it delivered. He just left, so this is fresh and hot for you guys. So I guess we can just start off. We can tell you a little bit about what we each got. Emily, do you want to go ahead?
Sure. So I got some veggie egg rolls. So just a fried, y'all know what egg rolls are. Just veggies inside, no meat.
She didn't know.
I got some sesame tofu. It's really good. If y'all have had sesame chicken, it's essentially the same thing, just with tofu. And then I got the classic vegetable lo mein. And that also came with white rice, so lots of carbs tonight.
And then I got, as a little appetizer, some wonton soup, which is like one of my favorites at a Chinese restaurant. And I love the little fried strips you get to put in it. And then I got chicken with cashew nut, which came with some white rice. But I don't know, sometimes when I order Chinese, a lot of times I don't eat the rice just to kind of save the carbs. We'll see how I'm feeling tonight though.
As a little appetizer, some teriyaki chicken on a stick.
Ooh, that looks good.
Ooh,
They're
that does
so
actually
good. I don't know how to say this. I got chicken Mei Fun. Mei Fun.
It's just chicken with rice noodles.
I got chicken with rice noodles.
So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and we're just gonna dig in.
We're
Is that
starving,
alright?
y'all.
We're all starving.
Oh man, these egg rolls are fried to perfection.
Oh my god, it looks
y'all.
really crispy.
It looks so crispy. Let's do the opener.
There might be pork in that.
Is that chicken? I can never tell if it's lettuce. Is that just lettuce? No, that's meat, right?
Yeah, it has a different texture.
It's meat.
Y'all eat them. It happens, y'all. Let's dig into this lo mein.
I'm just gonna like dump everything. Well,
Look at those noodles.
I'm gonna start with my soup.
I don't know if y'all can see
oh, we didn't
this
get
thing.
chopsticks.
Oh well.
Wow, y'all. These are piping hot. Mmm. Give me that white rice. I do like to eat some white rice with my sesame tofu. Look at Bucky's. That looks cool. All right, so I'm going to serve some of this white rice.
Mm.
Oh, this is steaming too.
Ugh, I love an egg roll.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Some sesame tofu. Y'all look at that. Look at how much sauce is in there.
Mm.
This looks so good.
Orange sauces.
It's gonna take me 12 years to eat this soup with a spoon. Look at this.
It's tiny. A little more lo mein.
Mmm. Chicken on a stick, y'all.
All right, I'll come back to that for sure. I always get seconds.
Mmm.
Noodles. We're starving, y'all.
Really wish I had my chopsticks.
Chinese takeout, y'all, is so good. What do you guys get when you order Chinese?
I usually get chicken and broccoli, but I decided to change it up today. I was in a rice noodles kind of mood.
Alright, y'all, this spoon is getting me nowhere, so I'm just gonna.
Drink up.
Oh my gosh.
Are they good?
Oh, I'll start getting this all the time. This is exactly what this is, yeah.
What you were wanting. Good. Y'all, I like to take some fried rice. I'm sorry, white rice. Put a sesame tofu cube on there. Mmm. That's a good combo.
Mm. I'm making a mess, but this is like y'all have. Well, Emily can't try it, but you should try this, Brennan.
Let me see if let me get through most of mine first.
Yeah.
Mmm. So good.
Because I was a little like weirded out at first when there wasn't any sauce on it.
Mm-hmm.
It just kind of looked bland, but
Right.
like the flavor, nowhere close to being bland. It's that egg it has in it.
Oh, man. This is so bomb.
Is yours good?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I got Sprite Zero again tonight, y'all.
We got Diet Mountain Dew.
Got Mountain Dew. Crushed ice.
Mmm. Oh my god. I can barely speak.
Mm-hmm.
This is good just to like mix all together. Y'all, let me show
It's
y'all
really good.
a close-up of this sesame tofu.
It is really good. Like, as somebody who's obviously not a vegetarian, I've had it before, and it's, I mean, it really tastes just like sesame chicken.
It's so good, y'all. And here's the inside. Here's the tofu part. Y'all want some? There's so much.
Good.
Maybe a little bit.
I know, yeah. I know they both really like it.
I'm gonna finish this egg roll.
Yeah, you can go ahead and take them. I'm not gonna eat them.
Okay.
I don't like them.
Really?
I don't like egg rolls, period.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I love egg rolls.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah, it's weird that they call these veggie egg rolls when there's meat in it.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah. That's all right, y'all. You other vegetarians know. It happens.
Y'all like our new dishes?
Yeah. We're very colorful. So what sauce is the cashew chicken? Yeah.
Honestly, don't know. It's kind of like a
Peanut.
peanut sauce, kind of. It's like a little sweet, but like a little savory. They're so good though. The cashews in it are so good.
Yeah.
I love broccoli.
This is gonna be my new favorite thing. It really is.
Can you describe the flavor?
It's so it has egg, chicken, cabbage, and then rice noodles, carrots,
Okay.
and so it's like it's kind of like not really an egg flavor, but like it's so hard to describe. But it's
It probably tastes like fried rice a little bit, maybe.
maybe a little bit. I mean, I don't really eat fried rice because usually it has onions and stuff in it, but
We've got some dietary restrictions, y'all.
Yeah. Mm. This is a good combination.
My favorite part of the chicken with cashew nut is the cashews for sure, and then like the mushrooms. So you like save the cashews and the mushrooms for the end. Oh, that's my favorite part. Lord,
I'm good.
Is there like a polite way to eat noodles?
I don't think so.
You know what I mean?
Especially if they're saucy. I don't think
oh
so.
yeah.
There is nothing like the feeling when you've been grubbing for a few minutes and then you take a swig of your soda or water or whatever you prefer. That is just so nice.
Yeah.
Very satisfying.
When it's really cold.
When it's cold.
Gosh. Very refreshing.
Woo!
Well, y'all don't fill up too fast because we have a little bit of a dessert too. I could eat like a whole nother order of this, I think.
Really?
Uh-huh. You should try it, Brandon.
I will.
Mmm. This is just so saucy. I love it.
Pop me one of those over here. I want
Yeah. Do 2 on his so I can eat 1.
to. Is that 2?
That's
Okay.
You want more?
Oh, here's 2.
Mmm. I mean,
That's so good because
It's the sauce.
one
It's the
thing,
sauce.
it is a sauce, but also the thing that like, I mean, some tofu is really good, but it's like the texture of tofu sometimes.
right.
And with that, like, it's not a weird like it's a good texture. It's, I don't know.
Absolutely. Honestly, if you're just starting off eating tofu or want to be introduced to it, get it fried. Because
Everything's better fried.
everything's good fried and tofu is no exception. You want some?
Mm-mm. I was just watching. Sorry. I was just taking a little breather.
Another chicken on a stick.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
I know, y'all. I started eating fast, and now I'm like,
Oh, God.
ooh.
Oh, whoa.
Easy.
Am I hitting a wall?
And on some more of my cashew nut.
Oh yeah, you still got a lot left.
I know. Well, I didn't want to put everything out there all at once.
Y'all, I'm going to go really savage and just hold the plate up to my face.
Ooh, maybe me too.
So
I'm
I
not
can
doing
just
that.
get to it quicker.
I'm a classy lady.
Actually, I got a hair tie.
Whew, y'all.
That's better. Now I can really get into it.
We'll still have a chicken on a stick.
Oh, there you go.
The salsa you use.
Whew.
I'm about to hit my wall. Oh, this would be so good heated up too.
Oh, yeah. Takeout Chinese is so good left over.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm getting full.
Wow. This is a lot.
They give you so much food.
They really do. It's inhumane.
And it's very heavy food, so you get so full.
Ooh.
Alright, y'all. I think this may be my last bite until dessert.
Woo.
Wow, y'all. I did pretty good.
I'd say. I did good too. Did y'all saw the pile before?
Mm-hmm. We
It's
did.
a tall pile. Oh, dropped a noodle.
My cashew nuts are gone.
I'm so bad about if food's right in front of me. I just want to keep eating,
I
even though I
know.
know that I'm full.
I totally just
Are any of
picked
y'all
this.
like that? I mean, it's like,
Oh, yeah.
cause I mean, it's just so good, and I just like, I don't want to miss out on how good it is. Is that? I know it's an awful. I mean, I think I'm addicted to food, but
Oh, I love food. That was so satisfying.
yeah. These noodles are so fun. Wow. I'm ready for dessert.
What do y'all think it is? Here comes the big
Dun,
reveal.
dun. Oh my god, how many's in there?
So many.
Okay, I thought there would be like 3
Chinese
maybe.
donut.
They're the classic Chinese donuts, y'all. Basically just fried dough with some powdered, or not even powdered, just regular
Just
sugar
pure
on
sugar.
there. You may have to.
Yeah, you gotta get
just
get
take
in
a
there.
bite.
I mean, we'll see.
Y'all see that sugar sparkling? Look, it could be a diamond ring, honey. Okay, first bite. Let me move this. Y'all can see.
How are they?
Good.
Good.
Soft.
I'll do one bite.
Wow. No, these carbs are gonna put me to sleep.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna be in another carb coma.
I'm just
Woo!
going one big bite.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
alright.
If you had some ice cream on top of those,
Ooh.
Now that would really make
Ooh,
it.
I could go for some ice cream.
y'all want to go to get an ice cream cone after this?
Maybe in an hour.
I'm joking.
I was about to say.
Good.
Woo!
All right, y'all. Well, I think we did good.
This was amazing.
Yeah. I mean, I've been craving Chinese for several days.
He
been a
has.
while.
He's been texting us.
Yeah.
Well, y'all, it's been fun, but we are absolutely
Stuffed.
loaded with carbs. So now
Yes.
it's time for a nap, maybe. We'll see. And then, you know, Emily said we might catch a second win and go get an ice cream cone later. Who knows?
Catch our second wind.
But here at Southern Snackers, we have one thing we want to say.
Y'all remember, when life gets tough, just keep on snacking.
Thank
That's
y'all
right,
so
y'all.
much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.
See y'all later.
Thank you.